Do y'all niggas snore?
I don't snore.
Nah, I never snore. I ain't never.
Okay, I got a confession. I want to go since you've never been in sleepover with me.
Yeah.
Chat, y'all know I done slept on the A. I don't snore, bro. Y'all know me.
He don't snore, but he farts a lot.
I'm a little gassy. That's why I said I'm glad you brought the toilet, man. You looking out? Hey.
No. That's my toilet. Yeah, y'all got to go in the bathroom.
Wait,
Nobody.
No shot. I'm sitting on anything y'all put your asses on. Not at the being here.
Right.
No way. That's mine.
but what if your shit like? What
That's
if you take a shit in it like?
And by the way, I got a rule. When you use that, doors got to be open.